Craig from Magnanimous here. Today we're talking about some of the used gear that we have available for purchase. As you see here, we have the classic HPX 200. This one is the one we have that's in the best shape. It only has 423 of recording hours, and we're currently asking $500 for this one. Comes with the hard case, a couple batteries, charger, AC adapter, and yeah, if you want to do some sweet skate videos or just feeling nostalgic, this guy's for you. Here we have the TV Logic 5.6 inch monitor. One of the key features of this is it does also do cross conversion. So if you want to go from HDMI to SDI or SDI to HDMI, that is another key feature of this guy. Again, we're including the whole kit, this custom fitted hard case, and for this one we are also asking $500. Here our next item is a Canon 45mm tilt shift lens. It's in great condition. So if you're looking to do some interesting depth of field work or architectural photography, this guy is a good option. Again, we're asking $500 for this one as well. And finally, you will see our FS7 here. This guy's in good condition. You have this beautiful Jason case, which is also fitted for an FS7 and all of its various accessories. This one has about 1,550 hours on it currently, and we are asking $2,700. That's for the camera, the extension arm, the custom case, a couple batteries, adapter, charger. If you're interested in any of these items, you can find the link in whatever platform this is on. We have a couple ways that you can purchase used gear. There's a used gear section on our website, magrents.com, or you can visit our eBay page, or you can just give us a call. If you're interested in any of these items, let us know, make us an offer. Thanks.